Hi, learners. Get ready to slide into geometry. Today, we are exploring translations, and it's going to be super fun. A translation is when you slide a shape in a certain direction without changing its size or orientation. So you can be asked to move it right, left, up, down, or a combination of any of those directions. This grid you see here is called a Cartesian plane. Okay, let's get into translating the square. So the first thing I would do would be to label the coordinates. So I will label them. This one is -4, -2. Because we're in quadrant 3, this one is quadrant 3, we know that all the numbers are going to be negative because all 4 coordinates fall in this quadrant. Okay. This one is -7, -2. This one down here is -7, -5. And I know that because I'm just looking straight across this line to see where we are. And this one is -4, -5, right? Okay, so what you can do when you're translating a shape is you're literally just moving it. So for this one, I'm going to show you how I would move it 8 to the right and 7 up, okay? So I will use a different color. I will use blue. So I'm going to start with one of the coordinates. So let's just start with this one right here. So this means I need to count 8 spaces to the right and then 7 spaces up. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This would be 8, but I still need to go up. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I'm going to show you one way I could do this, then I'm going to erase it and do the other way. So one way you could do this is once you have one coordinate, then you could just count the spaces on the shape and then recreate the shape. So from this coordinate, the second coordinate at the top is 1, 2, 3 spaces away. So I could go 1, 2, 3. And because this is a square, they should all be 3, but we'll just double check. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So they're all 3 away. So I'd go 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Then I would trace my shape and label all the coordinates, okay? However, another way to do it, and your teacher will tell you which way they prefer if they have a preference. Okay, the other way to do it is to move each coordinate. So I will still start with this one, and I will move 8 to the right and then 7 up. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up, and I now I'm at coordinate 4, 5. Okay. Then I'm going to move on to this coordinate and I need to do it the same thing again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Pay attention to where you are because there are other marks here. You could also erase your other marks if you want and go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I am at 1, 5. Then I'm going to take this coordinate, -7, -5, and move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the right and 7 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm now at 1, 2. And for the last one, starts at -4, -5. I'm going to move 8 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right. And then 7 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up, which gives me the coordinate of 4, oops, 4, 2, sorry. Then I'm going to connect my coordinates with a ruler, of course. And there you have it. We have our new square that's been translated. And again, a translation is a slide. Let's try it together on the next page. This time, let's try one together. So hopefully you have a Cartesian plane. If not, you can just follow along as well. But if you do, we are going to draw a trapezoid together. So I'm going to ask you to make a coordinate at 3 and 7. So I'm going to go up the 3 line and right at 7. Okay. Then we're going to move over and we're going to do 1 at 6, 7. Okay, so this one is 3, 7, 6, 7. Then I'm going to ask you to put a coordinate at 9. Which one's that? 4. And then 1 at 0, 4. Okay. So go ahead and do that. Then you're going to attach the lines, connect the lines, sorry. You may pause the video until your shape is finished. Okay, now we're going to translate this shape. I'm going to ask you to translate it 7 to the left and 6 down. This time I'm going to move each coordinate this amount and then redo the shape. So I will show you how to do that afterwards. If you already know how, you could do that or do the same one we did in the last video. Whoops, I'm missing an N here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to start with this coordinate right here. Okay, 0, 4. I am going to move it first 7 left, and then I'm going to move it 6 down. So I'm going to go 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 7 left. And I'm going to go down 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to take my eraser and just erase any big marks I made so that I don't get confused with the rest of it, okay? Then I'm going to take the coordinate that's at 3, 7 and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 6 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving on to the next coordinate, I'm going to move the 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is where 7 would be. Now I need to move down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, I erased the other coordinate. I will need to do that one again. So 3, 7, I'm going to redo quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down. I won't erase that one this time, but I will erase all this other stuff up here just because I don't want to get confused, okay? Alrighty. So then I have one more to do, and it's 9, 4. I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I need to connect my lines. So I'm going to connect these two coordinates. I'm going to use a ruler to connect these two coordinates so that my line is nice and straight, hopefully. This one too, you guys can use rulers, okay? And then, or follow the lines, whatever your teacher asks you to do. And there we go. There you have it. You have translated a shape 7 left and 6 down. Okay, this translation you're going to try by yourself. So we have a triangle that has the coordinates of 4, -3, 4, -8, and 8, -8. So first you will draw that. Then I'm going to ask you if you can translate this, and you're going to move it 10 up and 7 left. Okay, so go ahead, pause the video, try it, and then come back and see how I've done it to see if we did it the same way. Okay, how did you do? Let's start with the first coordinate at the top of 4, -3. I am going to move this one up 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My new coordinate will be -3 and 7. Okay. So now what I could do is I could count how many down on the triangle this way and then across the bottom and create my new coordinates here, but I'm going to count each coordinate out. So the next one I'm going to do will be the 4 and -8. I'm going to move up 10, which will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is here. And I need to move 7 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you all think this is as much fun as I do. Then our last coordinate is 8, -8. Let's move up 10 and 7 left again. Up 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to move 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is our final destination. And it is at 1, 2. And I forgot to label this coordinate. And it's -3, 2. Now, all we need to do is use our rulers and connect the lines. Sorry, mine's not perfect. Trying to go quickly for you so you don't have to have the video on forever. There we go. How did you do? Enjoy creating translations.